Right now, 140 million miles away, a six-wheeled robot is having a midlife crisis. NASA's Curiosity Rover just beamed back data that is sending shockwaves through the scientific community. Deep inside the Martian soil, it found 21 different organic molecules. 7 of these have never been seen on the red planet before. Some are the literal building blocks of life as we know it. The most chilling part? Scientists have no idea how they got there. Is Mars alive? Or are we looking at the remains of a world that once was? Welcome to Exo Files. Today is Earth Day, a time when we celebrate life on our home planet. But today, the news might actually be coming from our neighbor. NASA just updated their homepage with a discovery that changes the math on the Mars question. This new haul is different. It's diverse, it's complex, and it's confusing. Today, we're breaking down what these 21 molecules are and why they are making chemists sweat. Curiosity has been roaming Gale Crater since 2012, but this latest analysis is a masterclass in robotic chemistry. Out of the 21 organic molecules identified, 14 are old friends, things like methane or simple carbon chains we've seen before. But the new 7? Those are the game changers. These include complex sulfur-bearing compounds and ring-shaped hydrocarbons. On Earth, these are often the leftovers of biological processes. Organic doesn't automatically mean life, but seeing 21 of them in one spot is significant. It is like finding all the ingredients for a cake in the middle of a desert. You have to ask, who brought the flour and eggs? How does a rover smell life? It uses an instrument called SAM. SAM acts like a tiny, high-tech kitchen. It takes Martian soil, drops it into an oven, and cranks the heat to over 10 degrees Celsius. As the soil bakes, it releases gases. SAM then sniffs those gases to identify chemical signatures. But Mars is bathed in radiation that shreds organic molecules. For these compounds to survive, they had to be shielded deep inside ancient rocks for billions of years. This isn't just a discovery, it's a time capsule. NASA scientists are currently split into 2 camps. Camp A says it's geological. They believe these molecules were cooked up by abiotic processes. Camp B is looking at biology. On Earth, the specific mix of molecules found in Gale Crater is often produced by microbes. If these are biological, it means that billions of years ago, when Gale Crater was a massive lake, it was an ecosystem. We have the ingredients, but we haven't seen the chef. Finding these building blocks on Mars forces us to look at Earth differently. If life can start on 2 planets in the same solar system, it's likely everywhere in the universe. We are currently living through the golden age of Mars exploration. We aren't just asking if there was life. We're now asking, where did it go? Mars is no longer just a red rock. It's a chemical treasure chest. Whether from a volcano or a microbe, it's far more complex than we imagined. Do you think NASA is on the verge of announcing ancient life? Let's argue about it in the comments. Join the Exo Files crew by subscribing.